In this video, I'm going to show you how to get credits in Higgsfield. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Higgsfield AI, and then you want to either create your account or simply sign in case you don't have one yet. Now, after this, you want to hover over your profile picture up here in the top right, and then over here where it says what percentage of your credits you have used, you want to click on this over here, so this progress bar. Now, in here, you'll see how many credits you have, and then over here, you'll see the option which says buy credits. So click on buy credits over here, and then as you can see, you can buy these credit packs over here and then get them for yourself. So you can get either 80, 170, 380, or 840 over here, and then of course you can get these by getting a subscription. So let me actually show you how to do this. Now, you will first have to have an active subscription, so you'll have to go over here, click on upgrade plan, and then you'll have to get one of these plans. Now, these plans will, by their own, give you some credits. As you can see, with the free one, you'll only get 5, however, you can't use them. But then with the basic one, you get 150 per day. With the Pro, you get 600 per month. Excuse me, I meant per month. And then with the Ultimate plan, you get 1,200 credits per month. Now, once you have one of these plans, you can of course use these credits. However, if you want to of course buy even more of them, you can do this by using this buy credits button, and then you can get them via a one-time purchase, and you'll get this many right away. And as you can see, they are valid for 90 days. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get credits in Higgsfield. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.